नहीं, एयर फ्रायर तो बिल्कुल यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. I'm sure you must have heard this statement quite a lot around. But is air fryer really a healthy appliance to be used? Well, let's look at it. So air fryer has its pros and cons. First, let's look at the pros. Now, of course, air fryer does not use any oil like your normal frying. So definitely the oil consumption by your food is way lesser. And when we fry foods in oil, it produces a compound called acrylamide, which can be carcinogenic and eventually cause a lot of health issues. So when you're cooking foods in an air fryer, the production of acrylamides is lesser than deep frying. The next thing is that it does not have any radiation like your microwaves. So basically how an air fryer cooks your food is with high heat but with a lot of circulation of air, just like your oven would. And also what it does is, because it has an air circulation, it cooks your food faster, so your food is exposed to heat for a lesser amount of time. Now if we look at the cons of air fryer, basically the only problem in an air fryer is that it is made up of a plastic basket, and when you heat it, it has a Teflon coating. So there could be release of chemicals like PFAs when you're cooking your food, and they can come in contact with your food, which when we consume can eventually lead to hormonal imbalances, a lot of toxicity in the body, eventually leading to cancers, thyroid disorders and other health problems. So what should we do? Not use an air fryer ever? Well, not really. Air fryer is a great appliance if we use it sometimes to enjoy certain foods that we want to. So here are my 3 tips to enjoy food cooked in an air fryer without any guilt. Make sure that you don't expose the food for heat for a very long time. Keep an eye on it and remove it quickly. The second thing is, make sure that you always place your food in a silicone basket when you put it in an air fryer, so that the food doesn't come in touch with the Teflon coating. The third is, do not use a broken or damaged basket, because that has a higher chance of releasing chemicals. So always replace your basket if it's damaged. And for more information, read the caption.